Morning, Layne. Can you say what day it is today? It's June 29th.
Or is it the 30th? I don't know.
What day is it, Jim?
I'm scared to look.
Let me look. It's June 30th, Layne. June 30th. It's the 18th day of harvest.
Oh no! Show me your fingernails. Oh, you looking at Grandma's? Papa taking a nap. Is that the book you tore up?
What are you reading? What are you reading?
Poor Grandma's house is just an absolute mess because of this monster.
It's all good. This is what our yard looks like this morning. So Taylor and Ladybug and I are headed to Hutchinson to finally get Darrian and Taylor together for the first time ever. So this will be fun. A fun adventure and a reason to get the heck out of the trailer house. And yes, we left Jim on the couch.
Jim didn't want to come. We didn't leave him.
We left him on the couch in front of the TV, doing what he loves to do best when it's raining.
Temperature.
Okay. What's he doing? Make him talk to you. Say something to him.
Mom!
Yeah. I almost feel like when she was really small, I loved it. Throw it in. Ready?
Here, put your feet up against mine.
I remember doing that with you.
Put your feet up against mine.
Good morning. Today is July 2nd. It's day 20 already on harvest. It's 1/5 of the way of what we typically are away from home but who knows with this year. And it's also a sad day in our camp because this little girl and her mama are leaving.
Mama.
Yeah, and we don't want them to go, but I guess they have to. So hopefully today is one that keeps us busy and my heart doesn't have to get sad. Say see ya. Can you say bye? Bye. Bye.
Papa.
Hoppa. Hoppa.
Oh, there's a water jug under there.
Ouch.
Whoa.
Whoa. You can't tell you're pregnant until you hold your belly like that.
Didn't even
You
realize I
can
was doing
see it. Bye-bye. The place that we stay at is a really great place to stay, but unfortunately it does not have all the hookups. What it's missing is a sewer dump. So what we're doing now is basically pretending like we're moving. Everything came off the walls, taken down slides in, and we're gonna go dump the tank, bring it back, put it all back up again. Because of the extended raincation that we had, and our visitors, our tank is full, and it sounds like we're gonna get back in the field tomorrow, which is a good thing, but we probably won't have time to mess with it then once we get rolling again. So it's best to do it now and be done with it. Hey Jim and I really hope that you enjoyed today's daily update. If you did, why don't you give it a thumbs up for us? We'd like to know that. And be sure to hit the subscription button and the bell notification so that you know when the next video is up and ready to watch. Thank you, and we're so glad you're along with us for the journey.